Most marketers are challenged by spending time finding, compiling, and organizing data to showcase the results of their marketing efforts. Are you looking to increase your marketing return on investment across all channels? We can help. SystemSoft Technologies now introduces LensIQ, an omnichannel marketing attribution hub powered by Elysium Analytics. LensIQ is a cloud-native SaaS application built for modern enterprise business. It helps enable your organization to orchestrate and capture insights from multi-channel marketing programs to holistically track and measure ROI by campaign. LensIQ is a single source of marketing truth with consistent reporting and analysis of KPIs. It provides customizable visualizations based on the user's role with a holistic view of campaign insights and drill-down intelligence for channel analysis. Unlike other platforms, you can add unique connectors that are specific to your organization and ready to deploy in under a month. With real-time data insights, LensIQ helps inform campaign optimization and target highly relevant audiences. The hub provides a more complete view of customer interactions by integrating and connecting custom data, leading to a more personalized customer journey. Automated insights support lead management, profitability, and enhance the customer experience within the multiple segments such as behavioral, value, risk, and propensity segments. With personalized offers at every touchpoint, you can build a healthy lifetime value with the customer. With automated omnichannel data integration, LensIQ reduces the cost, time, and complexity of manually consolidating data from multiple channels in less than a month. Connect data and analytics to business value and improve your targeting to increase conversions. Visit SystemSoft Technologies to schedule a free consultation today.